Howdy folks, welcome to Diggle Diaries for May 2024. This is part 2 for the second half of the month. Let's roll the intro and get on with it. A bit of a varied couple of weeks at the end of May. Oh, hang on. You'll be barely able to hear me in the wind anyway, so never mind over that thing. But yeah, it's been a varied couple of weeks. We've had loads of light engine movements. Some of the Ex-TPE 68s have been coming through from Gresty Bridge over to Balm Rd, I'm guessing for some checkups and stuff before they go back. They've had all their vinyls, the TPE vinyls removed, but it's good to get them coming down the road stomping ground as well. We've had Instructor Paul has blessed us with some of the best 69s on the GBRF route learners as well. We've had 004, the experimental one, which was great. Thanks to Josh as well for getting a shot of that while I wasn't here. We've had the latest one, 009 as well, coming through, which was fantastic. That was the one that we saw down in Arlington getting painted up, and it's finally come through Diggle, so that was a nice one. Also a big shout out to Mike as well, a driver for Corliss. We've got some great shots at Guy Bridge of 37405 in the persisting down rain, taking a crane through for some maintenance at the facilities, the Freightliner facilities there at Guy Bridge. Wanted to get the drone up for that, but sadly the weather was that awful we couldn't. But yeah, there's plenty of stuff coming through anyway. We've got some nice movements in this one. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoy it. We now have approval for the Arlington POV tour around Eastleigh Works. So if you're not subscribed already, make sure you do. That'll be out next Friday if you're watching this when it comes out. Before I go, I want to give a big shout out to the Lincolnshire gang that I've just met whilst I'm filming this intro. Hope you enjoy this one, folks, and I'll see you all at the end of the video. Cheers. Thanks for watching, folks. Hope you enjoyed that one. Don't forget to leave a like if you did, and make sure you subscribe for that Arlington Eastleigh Works tour we've got coming up. Everything from that video, all the proceeds will be going to charity, as all the special episodes do on this channel. Anyone that's followed us for a long time knows that this isn't for profit anyway. This is just everything from the normal Diggle Diaries episodes and all that goes back into the channel for new equipment, paying to go and do these 24-hour specials and going staying everywhere and doing all that stuff. So yeah, make sure you subscribe for that. The more people that watch it, the more people that like it, you'll make a lot more money for Cancer Research UK this time. Thanks again for watching this video. I'll announce the next 24-hour special for 5,000 subscribers in the next few weeks once the plans are in place. And we'll have a Diggle Diaries for June coming up in a couple of weeks. It's already looking to be an absolute corker. We've had Braunton up again. We've had a Class 40 tour. We've had a day filled with 37s as well. Mike was back up with 405 to go and pick that crane up, so you know he'll put a show on. But yeah, I think it's going to be a good episode, that one. So stick around for that. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you then. Cheers.